If your revenue is stagnant or just not growing at the rate you want it to, you need revenue marketing. We do it, it works for our clients, and it can work for you. Revenue marketing is a data-powered approach to reaching your audience with the ultimate goal of using that data to improve your campaigns and hit your revenue goals. If you're looking for info about revenue marketing, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be walking through 5 of the best revenue marketing tactics to try. The first tactic on our list is a marketing strategy we call OmniSEO. OmniSEO is an enhanced version of what we know as SEO. It's a superhero origin story. Regular, mild-mannered SEO took a super serum and became the mighty OmniSEO. Whereas more traditional SEO just focuses on search engines, OmniSEO is all about maximizing your visibility across all online channels. Those channels include search engines, as well as social media, forums, and AI responses. Increasing your response on all of those channels helps you meet your audience wherever they get their information. It's important to study your target audience first and figure out where they tend to search for things online. You can do that by researching the main demographics you market to. And you can also use your website data to look at which channels most of your traffic comes from. That tells you which channels to include in your OmniSEO strategy. Usually, it'll be a mix of several different channels that users will bounce between. Another tactic is to level up your paid search advertising with customer data. We can't have a list of revenue marketing tactics without mentioning paid search. Paid search falls under the larger umbrella of pay-per-click advertising, or PPC, but it focuses specifically on showing ads in search engines for platforms like Google and Bing. If you don't know much about paid search, be sure to check out some of our other videos that talk more about it. But let's say you're already familiar with this strategy. How do you level it up to improve your revenue marketing? The number one way is to leverage your data. Specifically, you can use your customer data to improve your audience targeting. Which demographics most commonly buy from you? Where are they located? Which products or services do they seem the most interested in? You can answer those questions by analyzing the data you have on your existing customers. Then, you can refine your ad targeting and even your creative to hone in on the main demographics, locations, and interests you see in your data. Another great revenue marketing tactic is ABM, which stands for account-based marketing. If you're a B2B company, that is, if you sell to businesses instead of consumers, ABM could be a game changer for you. ABM involves picking out specific businesses you want as clients and then targeting your campaigns directly to them. ABM is great for revenue marketing for several reasons. First of all, since you're targeting specific businesses, you can personalize your campaigns a lot more, which makes them way more effective. Also, ABM campaigns are focused directly on driving sales as opposed to, say, spreading brand awareness. To launch an ABM campaign, start by figuring out which businesses you want to target. To do that, it can be helpful to create an ideal customer profile, or ICP. An ICP outlines the characteristics of the businesses you want to work with. To create an ICP, take a look at, you guessed it, your customer data. It's helpful to have a platform like a customer relationship management tool, or CRM, for storing and analyzing your data. Once you've looked at your data, figured out which types of businesses are the most valuable to you, and created an ICP based on that information, start looking for businesses that meet the criteria of that ICP. Then identify key decision makers at those businesses and start marketing directly to them. Using your ICP to hone in on ideal ABM clients is good for helping you put your budget where it'll be the most effective, earning you a lot more revenue than you get otherwise. The next tactic is one you may have already heard of: email marketing personalization. Email marketing is what we call a lead nurturing strategy. That means you're sending out emails to people who are already leads, which makes sense. I mean, if someone's willing to sign up for your emails, it means they're already pretty interested. That's why email marketing is great for revenue marketing, because if someone's already a lead, they're not too far away from becoming a customer. But here's the thing. Your emails are only going to be effective at nurturing leads if they're personalized to those leads. And how do you personalize your emails? You'll never guess. You do it by using data. I know, mind blown, right? You can use your data for audience segmentation. Your customers have a variety of backgrounds and interests, so sending the same email to all of them probably won't work too well. One way to make your emails more specific and personalized is to segment your audience. Look for ways to divide your customers into smaller groups. You can use your data to see some of the major demographics, interests, and locations across your audience. When you segment your audience based on those factors, you can create separate email campaigns for each group. With personalized campaigns, you'll drive a lot more conversions and revenue. Finally, it's important for your revenue marketing strategy to include data activation. In the process of running your revenue marketing campaigns, you'll end up gathering a lot of data. Data about your customers, your campaign performance, and more. If that data just sits there, it doesn't help you. But when you activate that data, that is, when you analyze it and use the insights to improve your campaigns, it can help you generate a lot more revenue. For example, activating your customer data helps you get a better sense of who's buying from you, which lets you refine your audience targeting a lot more. And activating your marketing performance data shows you which campaigns are working for you and which ones aren't. To activate your data, you'll want to use MarTech like an email platform, CRM, lead scorer, or even Google Analytics to track visitors on your website and their interactions with your marketing campaigns. Then you can import it into or connect it with some other type of data platform like a CDP to organize and analyze it. From there, it's just a matter of using that new data and acting on the insights you get from it. There you go. The most important tactics to help you with your revenue marketing. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to subscribe. We got a ton of other helpful videos about marketing on our channel. That's all for this video though. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.